I absolutely love it when my models give me creative ideas on how to do their hair because listen, I'm down for anything. So in this video, I'm going to be doing an instructional style video so whoever is new to my channel can know exactly how I do what I do and why. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl, Easy Breezy, and I'm here with another hair sponsor. So thank you so much, Bestlacewigs, all right? They sent me a pre-customized, okay? And when I say customized, baby, customized to the gods, okay? A pre-customized HD lace front unit. This is a straight wig that we're doing today, and we're doing some crimps, some braids, and some real dramatic baby hair. So this one's gonna be really cute. Now, modeling today, we have our girl Crystal back in the building. Now, Crystal was on my channel a lot back in the day, but she kind of fell off a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But she's back, and we will welcome her with open arms. So everyone say, hey, Crystal. All right, so first and foremost, I cleaned off her forehead with a cotton round and some sea breeze. Now, I don't use alcohol because alcohol can be kind of harsh on the skin. It can break you out. You know, you can have red bumps on your face, flaky skin. So we're not using anything that strong. Sea breeze is still an astringent. It's a cleanser, but it's mild on the skin. Sea breeze is actually so mild that you can use it as a toner all over your face. So yeah, I used that to clean off the oil and makeup off her skin. I applied our stocking cap and used my special ball cap method. Now we're sticking on this wig. All right, so y'all can probably see the glue under the lace, right? It's not completely clear. It's kind of white in some areas. But listen, I got y'all covered, okay? The lace tint foam is going to cover that up completely and make everything look like scalp. All right, so this wig is on there. Like, it ain't going nowhere. We did 2 layers of glue, wait till it turned nice and tacky, put the wig on there and pressed it with our fingers so we can just melt that lace with that glue. So now I'm taking my scissors and cutting off any excess lace, and you can see the lace is still kind of light. You know, it's still a little ashy, but the lace tint foam is coming. And even though this wig did come with the middle part already, you know, I had to do my finishing touches and pluck a little bit more hairs so that middle part looks nice and crisp and clean. All right, so right now I'm taking some setting foam, applying it to the hair and combing it through so I can do my braids. Now, the reason why I love braiding straight hair wet is because it's a lot easier to grab, a lot easier to manipulate and control. Sometimes when you have bone straight hair, you know, especially on wigs, it's like the hair just be everywhere, be flyaways everywhere. And it's just like, okay, now I have to put holding spray and gel, and I don't want to do all that. So I either wet it with water or some setting foam. All right, now I made this mistake one time in my life and one time only. I did the hairstyle before I pulled out the baby hair. And when I got to the end, my client was like, so you're not gonna do no baby hair? And I was like, wow. So I always make sure that I pull out the baby hair first, get it out my way, and then do the style. All right, so what you see me doing right now is I'm creating like a heart-shaped hairline with my comb and the baby hairs, and I'm doing the quote-unquote widow's peak illusion. So the reason why I'm making this shape with the hair and I didn't actually cut the lace like this is because it's kind of hard to reapply your lace when it's cut like in these very elaborate specific designs. So it's easier to reapply on your own or with another stylist if it's cut very simply. All right, cool. So the wig is on there. The hair is nice and saturated with the setting foam. Baby hairs are out my way. Now let's go ahead and execute these braids. All right, now I cut some clips out because I'm such a perfectionist that if my braids are not totally 100% even on both sides, listen, I'm gonna do them again. I don't care. So yeah, y'all seen the shortened version, so y'all good. So right now I'm about to do the baby hair, and I already cut them like 1 inch long, and I'm using my liquid lace gel. All right, so right now I'm using my liquid lace gel to mold and form our baby hairs, but I'm also mixing it with a little bit of setting foam so it can loosen it up a little bit. Now, even though I'm doing this, the foam is not going to make the gel hold any less. Like, the baby hairs are still going to be on there for like 7 to 10 days. All right, cool. So we are done with our baby hair, and it was kind of a quick process because I only did 2 swoops on each side. I normally do 4, but you know, I kind of wanted to switch up my style a little bit, try something new. Now I'm going to show you guys how I use my brand new lace tint foams to make this lace disappear. Yes, ma'am. Now, if you guys want to get your bottles of your very own lace tint foams, head to 𝐃𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬.com. All right, we have 3 different shades. We have the light brown, the medium brown, and the dark brown that cover a super wide range of complexions. All right, so let's get into these crimps. Now, there are 2 types of crimps, okay? There are the crunchy ones and there are the soft ones. Now, I feel like it's very important to ask your model or your client what type they want because they look completely different. So for the crunchy crimps, you have to use hairspray to get that look. The hairspray makes the hair hard, it makes the style last a long time, and it kind of gives it that old school, you know, really neat hairstyle type of look. But when you're doing soft crimps, you don't have to use any holding spray, any hairspray at all. Just put the iron on there and it makes the hair just look like a wave. It looks softer, it doesn't look as like crunchy. But of course, you know, you still want the crimps to stay at least for a couple days. So instead of spraying the hair before I place the iron on it, I'm gonna put it on the hair after. And of course, if you're doing the crunchy crimps, you would spray the hair with the hairspray or pump it up or something like that before you put the iron on it instead of after. Listen, 2 words: in love. Okay, yo, this is amazing. Like, we really killed this. Like, what? Once again, thank you so much, Best Lace Wigs, for sponsoring this video. Now, if you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that. Turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all later.